Hi, we're here to learn about Slooh and how to get started. This is a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to use it. So here we are at the Slooh dashboard. This is what you see when you first log in. And at the top of the screen, you have this section called telescopes. So you can click on this and you will see a list of all the Slooh remote controlled telescopes here. And the ones that are online or that you can actually see through right now are marked with online in green and a little green button. So you can see that the only ones online currently for my time zone are Canary 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can click on the ones that are active and you can observe what is being actually observed at that moment. So these are missions that were scheduled by other people. So this is called the live view, where you're seeing what's live in the telescope right now. And you can take snapshots of these just by clicking the camera icon, and that will save to your gallery. So this one actually has some commentary that was pre-recorded that you can also listen to. Okay, so you can peruse the telescopes that way. The other option, if we go back to the dashboard, is to schedule a mission, which is your own appointment time to use a telescope where you can point the telescope to what you want to actually capture an image of. So there's a couple ways to schedule missions. One is to scroll down on the dashboard, go below these other items, and there will be a mission section. So one way to get onto a mission is to join a featured mission. These are interesting objects in the night sky that professional astronomers have identified. So you can easily join those. Just click on under featured missions, join mission. And so there's one for the Eagle Nebula. This is the easiest way to join a mission. So you just click join mission again. And now you will be part of this mission and you will get images from this mission. So when this time occurs, there will be images of the Eagle Nebula and they will appear in your gallery. You can also join the mission live if you happen to be up at that time and available to log on to Slooh. So sometimes weather does cancel or other technical difficulties, but if all goes well, you will get images of the Eagle Nebula. The other way to do a mission is to schedule your own. And so under My Missions, you can click Schedule Telescope Mission. And so Slooh has a patented software where you can choose a category and an object, and then it will give you days and times that it is possible to capture that astronomical object through one of the telescopes. So for example, you could click on, there's many, many categories you can choose from, including planets and nebula, different things like that. So you can click on planets and then choose a specific planet. We can say Jupiter. And then we can click preview mission. And because of their software, it will suggest an ideal time to do that. So it says here on Chile 2, the telescope in Chile at this day and time, Sunday at 5 minutes UTC. So then you just click schedule mission. And then that mission has been scheduled for you. So you have reserved that time slot on the telescope to take a picture of Jupiter. So you have up to 5 missions that you can schedule at any one time as part of your membership. Okay, so the last way to schedule a mission is through a quest. So quests, you can access them on this top bar. It says quest right in the middle there. And these are learning journeys that Slooh has set up and that we use in our courses as well. So within those quests, they will actually have areas where you can schedule a mission that's related to the quest. So for example, we use the Star Explorer quest in our class. So you can click on that, say that you want to join the mission. And then what you can do is go to the portion where you actually have the mission schedule on screen. So in any quest, there's going to be some sections of reading and background information. And then it will have a section where you can reserve the mission. So it says capture a blue star. These are the 2 options we can select from. We can click on Rigel, and it will give us a list of times that we can reserve. So, and dates. So we can select a date of our choosing, clicking on March 17th, and then you can say schedule a mission. And there's a variety of times here that you can schedule it for. So, and there's some more advanced features that we are not going to cover in this Quickstart tutorial, but you can see, what is the visibility and try to figure out the best time where it's most visible. And then once you're ready, you can click schedule a mission. And again, a mission is just a reserved time on the telescope. They're usually in 5 or 10-minute increments. So you can schedule that mission and then you are all set. So that is a real quick summary of what you can do on Slooh to get started. And so I encourage you to check out the live view by clicking on telescopes, seeing which telescope is active, and then joining that telescope view. And then also I encourage you to start scheduling quests and missions via the 2 techniques that I just showed you.